What is the difference between a statement balance and a current balance?
I love it. I love it. This is actually the cheat code to ensuring you have a good credit score, right? And so here's what I tell people, right? For starters, the question he's asking is about on your credit card, right? A statement balance and a current balance. And what that is going to show you the mismatch of when you should pay your bill versus what is actually reported to the credit bureaus. So to level set, to ensure you have a good credit score, don't charge more than 30% of your actual credit limit. So if I have a $10,000 credit card, well, if I have a credit card with a $10,000 limit, don't charge more than 3,000. And what he's saying, your current balance is, say, you know what, I actually needed to charge $5,000 on it. So now to the credit bureaus, that will show I, use 50% of my actual credit limit. However, that's my current balance. The statement balance is what is actually communicated to the credit bureaus, right? Equifax, Experian, etc. So the idea is to pay off your credit card or at least get below that 30% threshold before the statement balance date is actually reported. And so your current balance is what you are currently have, but the statement balance is an actual date that you want to actually try to pay that down prior to. And so I love the question. This is one way that you could actually trick the credit bureaus to maintain a good credit score. But really quickly, current balance is what you're charging right now, what's reflected, but that statement balance, aka that what's being reported to the credit bureaus, you want to make sure that is below 30%.